What's going on? It's DJ Nightmare, and this is Master of the Mixed Drinks. And out of all the guys in the room right now, the only person that was willing to try this delicious and very strong drink is my friend Greg. Greg, what's happening?
What up? How you?
Are you ready to try this flaming Dr Pepper shot?
You know what? I think I am.
So, for what's in it, you got 151. This thing right here will crank your car up. Okay? This thing right here, you can fly an airplane with this right here. 151. You got amaretto. You got beer, whatever your flavor is. Does it matter, Shannon? Does it matter?
Yeah, it does. You should use a light beer.
You should use a light beer, and I'm assuming Bud Light is light. So there you go. And you're gonna need a cup, because it's a drop shot, and a shot glass. And the first thing you're gonna put in here is 1 ounce of amaretto. Okay? Just one cool little ounce. Bye-bye. You're gonna take, Jesus Christmas Christ. You're gonna take this 151, and you're just gonna top that thing right on off. Top that thing. Oh my goodness gracious. You finna be drunk, bro. Girl, you finna be drunk. You finna be drunk. I don't even want you to drink this. I'm not gonna drink it. I'll tell you that right now. And you're gonna take your Bud Light. You're gonna fill it up. Always remember to tilt your glass when you pour it there.
Very important.
Because, you know,
Very important.
savagery. Any other way is uncivilized. You're gonna pour that guy. You know what I'm saying? Is this enough, Shannon?
That's enough.
Go some more? Okay.
Halfway.
About halfway. That's not half at all. Some more? Oh my goodness gracious. Yeah.
Oh, y'all trying to mess me up.
Be sure you eat. We've eaten a great meal today, so make sure that you eat before you drink this shot. I feel so bad for you because there's no way in hell I want to drink this. All right, and you got to set that guy on fire. That's why I call it Flaming Dr Pepper. Right? All right, here we go. The Flaming Dr Pepper shot. Lord have mercy.
Drop it in there.
Go and drop it in.
Oh, I gotta drop it in.
Yeah, it's your shot. I ain't.
Oh.
Oh my goodness.
Ow. Ow.
Drink.
Oh.
Drink. You gotta drink it. All the way. All the way. All the way. Ooh, this is a bad idea. Ooh, this is terrible. You a champ and a half. Let me tell you something. That's cool. So, that's cool.
It's good though.
So you just had the Flaming Dr Pepper shot. What do you think of? Oh, you gonna take the rest of the way down through there? Through there!
I was gonna drink it.
Oh, through there! Yes,
I was gonna
sir.
drink it.
Nah, we good. We good. Cause that's what friends are for. So
No, it does taste like Dr. Pepper. It's good.
would you drink it again?
I would have finished it.
You would drink it again?
Yeah, I would have finished it.
You would drink it again?
Don't make another one like that.
No? Okay, that's a bet. That's a bet.
You gotta do it on that. Ain't got nothing to do.
That's a bet. I appreciate you, Greg. Appreciate Han for stepping in and finishing that guy. And that, my friends, is Master of the Mixed Drinks. Be sure to like, rate, subscribe, and stay tuned for more drinks for the common man.